Are you wanting to take a Cork coaster from blank like this to printed like this in under 5 minutes? Well, let me show you exactly how to do that using the xTool O1 Omni UV printer. I'm going to show two different ways to print the coaster. The first is going to be just with one white layer, and the second will be with two, showing you the difference in the vibrancy of the colors and all of that along the way. So if this is something that you're interested in printing, stay tuned for the video and let's dive right into UV printing these coasters. Okay, so the first coaster we're going to print is going to be on the Omni, and you can see here that fits perfectly on the small bed. You do not need the large bed to do a 4-inch coaster. Now back over in xTool Studio, we're going to hit scan so we can go ahead and bring it in. And this is not going to be a raised print at all. We don't want to deal with anything raised because that would make it to where you wouldn't be able to use this as a coaster. Your cup would just be kind of teetering on it, and that is not what we want. And so once it brings the graphic in of the item, then we will be able to start working on it. Okay, so here we are, and I'm just going to grab and drag the graphic in here. We'll scale it to fit. I know it's going to be too big, but that is okay. So we will just shrink that down and position it about like that. That looks great. We're going to do this as normal. I'm going to do this as one white, one color. We're going to do rigid white on UV2 since I have the dual UV head. And we don't need to do texture or relief, and this is ready to go. I mean, really, it's that fast. It takes me longer to explain it than if you were going to be doing this in your shop. Hit process, it will calculate the time and the ink usage. And so for a coaster like this, let's see what it says. About 5 minutes of time and about $1.50, just over $1.50 worth of ink. So I'm going to go ahead and hit print, and we'll get started. This looks fantastic. In the future, I would probably do, one extra layer of white for Cork, but overall this is definitely sellable and it looks great. So there you have it. You just saw the Omni print this coaster in about 5 minutes. Now, I did say at the beginning that I was going to show a second coaster. That other coaster is this one right here. So you can see a little bit of the difference. This is a little bit more vibrant than this one. And really the only difference is this is one layer of white. This is two. You can add a bunch of layers of white. It will make it raise up a little more, but it will make it more vibrant. So really it's just going to take some testing on your specific coasters to see what you like it to look like. These Cork coasters are really cheap to pick up. You can get them from a lot of different places. Amazon is typically where I get my Cork coasters from. And I'll have a link down in the description below for where you can pick up some just like this. You can sell these for a couple dollars a piece. They're pretty affordable to buy, and they take just a couple minutes to print. And if you were to fill the whole bed, they would take even less time per coaster. These are simple projects to do, and these could be a bestseller for you. You could put family portraits on them. You can do funny sayings like this, or really anything. So that is what a UV printed coaster looks like coming off the xTool O1 Omni. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to start putting a little kind of ticker here for my YouTube members. We are up to 3 members so far at the time of recording, and I want to say a big shout out to all of you who have joined the creative membership there. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've not hit subscribe already, which YouTube tells me about 90% of you have not hit that button yet, please do. It's free to you. It goes a long way for me, and it helps get this video in front of more people, which really goes a long way to support my family. Now, I've not mentioned this in a couple videos, but I would love to meet some of you guys at the Next Level Maker Conference. That conference is a few weeks from the recording of this video, and I'm going to be there teaching about xTool Studio for the lasers and for the Omni. I'm also going to be on the show floor doing all kinds of other stuff. So come up and say hi to me. I'll have some pins to give out as well as some special swag if you mention that you saw me mention Next Level in a video. As long as I haven't run out yet, I will have a special gift for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.